Good morning, Misamis Oriental. Here's Governor Bambi Emano's accomplishment report from March 28 to March 31 of 2021. Sunday features Governor Bambi Emano's most significant breakthrough for Misamis Oriental's local esports scene, while at the same time pushing for a responsible gaming culture to the youth. Raymark Semanya will give us the details.
On Sunday, March 28, 2021, the Misamis Oriental Esports Organization concluded its two-day tournament with the awarding of winners for its four featured esports of Mobile Legends, Call of Duty Mobile, Tekken 7, and NBA 2K. In total, 32 teams participated for Mobile Legends, 24 teams for Call of Duty Mobile, 64 players for Tekken 7, and 32 players for the NBA 2K. For Tekken 7, Mr. Raymond J. Sarte from Cagayan de Oro City was hailed as champion. For NBA 2K, the winner is Mr. Henry Lopez from Cagayan de Oro City, while for the Call of Duty Mobile, Team Medina claimed the grand prize. And after the intense match of Mobile Legends Bang Bang, SGD Balingasag marched to victory after defeating a strong team from Cagayan de Oro City. The winners of every game received a cash prize, a trophy, and will have the chance to be part of the Misamis Oriental team that will be sent to represent the province in national esport tournaments. This provincial-wide tournament not only provides the players the right avenue to showcase their skills, but most importantly to promote responsible gaming and social media usage. Raymark Timania, PIO.
A Monday beaming with indispensable updates and ever-dependable partnerships established by Governor Emano secures Misamis Oriental's diverse programs. Here's Danny of Shangma Jr. for the story.
On Monday, the Provincial Health Office announced additional safety health protocols for all the employees and residents of Misamis Oriental with regards to combating COVID-19 virus. He stressed out that people should avoid touching men, which means M for mouth, E for eyes, and N for nose. He also added that women should be followed, which means W for wash your hands, O for obey social distancing, M for mask up, E for exercise and eat well, and N for no unnecessary traveling. Dr. Kalingasan additionally announced that 6,058 individuals in the whole province were vaccinated by AstraZeneca vaccine and 156 in the provincial government of Misamis Oriental. 100 from the Provincial Health Office, 25 from the Provincial Disaster and Risk Reduction Management Office, 13 from the Provincial Social Welfare and Development Office, 13 from Miss Cares, 3 from Department of Education Misamis Oriental Division, and 2 from NBI. Furthermore, on Monday, Dr. Benjamin Resma announced new active cases of African swine fever were confirmed in various barangays on March 26, 2021. The following municipalities and barangays are as follows: Purok 1, Barangay Apas of Initaw; Purok 4, Barangay Santo Niño of Libertad; Purok 1, 7, and 9 of Barangay Poblacion; Purok 3 of Barangay Beniguayan; Purok 1 of Barangay Sampatulog; Purok 4 of Barangay Kalatkat; Purok 5A of Barangay Lugilo; Purok 3 and 7 of Barangay Lanao, and Purok 4 and 9 of Barangay Lumbo of Alubihid. In total, 22 barangays and 6 municipalities have been affected and 1,700 heads of pigs have been culled. A total of 423 hog raisers were affected. Additionally, on Monday, Technical Education and Skills Development Authority Region 10 paid a courtesy call to the provincial government of Misamis Oriental headed by Governor Bambi Emano. TESDA is proposing for edible landscaping at the Misamis Oriental Tourism Complex and Botanical Garden to give emphasis on agricultural crop production, alongside talks to establish strategic cooperation regarding future programs and plans for the development of tourism sites in Misamis Oriental. Present in the said call were TESDA 10 Regional Director Asheri Banto, TESDA 10 Provincial Director Marigold Cherry Garrido, TESDA 10 Executive Assistant Mr. Stephen Mercado, COBSAT Administrator Mr. June Suliano, PTC Miss or Mr. Joseph Rod Ilogon, RTC Tagolwan Administrator Mr. Nazario Villamor, KNAS Administrator Miss Miraflor Imata, and PTC CDO Miss Lalaine Andam. Moreover, on Monday, the signing of partnership agreement between the Commission on Population and Development Region 10 and the province of Misamis Oriental for the localization of the Philippine Population Management Program or PPMP was held at the Provincial Governor's Office. Present during the activity were POPCOM 10 Regional Director Neil Aldrin Gumahin Omega, Governor Bambi Emano, POPCOM 10 Accountant John Paul Tabalon Balistoy, and Acting Provincial Administrator Attorney Jocelyn Laod Mateo. The agreement provides a grant of 996,000 and other technical support to the province to strengthen and intensify the three program components of PPMP, namely Responsible Parenthood and Family Planning, Adolescent Health and Development, and Population and Development Integration. Lastly, on Monday, the Provincial Agriculture Office initiated the delivery of 1,000 bamboo seedlings to Mat-i-Higaunon Tribal and Farmers Association, or MAHITFA, an indigenous people group of Mat-i-Claveria, Misamis Oriental. The aim of the program is to help mitigate climate change, which is the primary initiative of Governor Bambi Emano and PAGRO. As mandated by the good governor, PAGRO has implemented various programs benefiting our environment amidst the latter's effort in securing food security for the province. Furthermore, at least 50,000 giant bamboo seedlings are expected to be planted all over the province this year. Danny Upshama Jr., PIO.
Tuesday is highlighted by the provincial government's meticulous delivery of social welfare services and security outlining. Queen Exclamador will tell us more.
On Tuesday, March 30, 2021, the province of Misamis Oriental had its first quarter joint meeting at Harbor Lights Hotel and Restaurant Kusa, Cagayan de Oro City. Present in the event are heads and representatives from the Provincial Peace and Order Council, Provincial Disaster Risk Reduction Management Council, and Provincial Anti-Drug Abuse Council, under the chairmanship of Governor Bambi Emano. This meeting was established towards a resolution for peace and order, along with securing disaster preparedness in the province of Misamis Oriental with the initiative and responsiveness of local chief executives and officials. Also, this served as an acknowledgement for the outstanding commitment of our awardees towards public service for Best Performing Peace and Order Council and Most Outstanding LGU in Disaster Preparedness. Recipients of the said awards are as follows. For Peace and Order Council, winners from 4 to 6 class are: for 3rd place, Municipality of Medina; 2nd place, Municipality of Salay; 1st place, Subbong Kugon; 1st to 3rd class; 3rd place, Balingasag; 2nd place, Villanueva; and 1st place, Lugae. Component city category, the winner is El Salvador. For the most outstanding LGU in disaster preparedness, from 4 to 6 class, we have Magsaysay for the 3rd place; for 2nd place, Medina; and for the 1st place, Laguindina. For 1st to 3rd class, we have Balingasag in the 3rd place; 2nd place is Villanueva, and 1st place is Ocol. Component city level is also El Salvador City. Also, the meeting proceeded in quorum for the approval and realization of the following agenda. To start with, accomplishment reports for the 4th quarter in 2020, presented by Provincial Director for PNP of Misamis Oriental, Police Colonel Raniel Manlapis Valones, Commanding Officer for 402nd Brigade, Lieutenant Colonel Ricky Canatoy, 1st Special Forces Battalion for 403rd Brigade, Lieutenant Colonel Versicion San Jose Jr. Provincial Director for BFP Misamis Oriental, Superintendent Gregorio S. El Bambo, and PDRRMO Head, Mr. Fernando Vincent Q.D. Jr. Amidst the genuine exchange of accomplishments among the Peace and Order Council and LGUs, the Provincial Health Office made sure to provide their update in regard with the successful vaccination process presented by Dr. Paasa. Most importantly, the discussion went progressive as DILG Provincial Director for Misamis Oriental, Engineer Marisha C. Naibe, presented the validation results in road cleaning implementation, of which are mostly done successfully. After which, PSWDO Head Junlay Mardi Abelia discussed on the updates for ECLIP and halfway house operations intended for returning rebels in the province, making sure they have a home to sleep in as they are welcomed back to the arms of the government. Furthermore, PIDEA Region 10 Intelligence Officer 2 Joe Rick Takal, also team leader for Regional Barangay Drug Cleaning, emphasized the relevance of Balay Silangan, an intervention program not for drug abusers but for drug pushers who voluntarily surrender to the government. On the other hand, Engineer Naibe also presented the approval of the radio communication plan of PNP for their adoption and support in pursuant to Regional Peace and Order Council Resolution Number 5 Series of 2020. As for other matters, Governor Bambi also adhered to the Liga ng mga Barangay Resolution Number 001 Series of 2020 to facilitate the establishment of Army Detachment in Barangay Mindulao, Magsaysay, Misamis Oriental. Significantly, the governor showed his faith and support to the church as he donated a sum of 100,000 pesos to National Chaplains of the Philippines, or NACPIL, in support to their service to the people of Misamis Oriental. Lastly, the meeting ended with a presentation from Smart Infocast, of which Governor Bambi Emano showed encouragement to all LGUs present to avail the network service, especially at times of emergency, as it allocates a 20,000 free SMS monthly for the people in Misamis Oriental to stay informed and be alert of any uncalled-for phenomena, both natural and man-made. Hence, this only proves how the governor shows enthusiasm and expresses wellness towards his people, as he never fails to leave by the statement, "Be safe, be more," for Miss Or. In another story, in celebration of the Women's Month and to honor the extraordinary roles of every Juana in the society as trailblazers and harbingers of change, the provincial government of Misamis Oriental, under the leadership of Governor Bambi Emano, through the Provincial Social Welfare and Development Office, distributed hygiene kits to the 1,600 female workers of the provincial capital and Misamis Oriental provincial hospitals. The hygiene kit contains cotton balls, cotton pads, cotton buds, wet wipes, tissues, sanitary napkins, face shield, 1 box of face mask, alcohol, body soap, face towel, and oral care travel kit. With this, all women from the offices in the capital and the provincial hospital expressed their gratitude towards Governor Bambi with his act of generosity, as every Juana felt overwhelmed of their gifts with such simple yet practical bundle of essentials they can use as they continue to nurture every home and hustle hard at work, representing all the women in and across borders. Salute, Queen Exclamador, PIO.
On Wednesday, the all-important contribution of women in the society was deservingly recognized by Governor Bambi, while the provincial capital's men joins the culmination for Women's Month. Gio Denke has the details.
On Wednesday, March 31, 2021, the provincial capital spent the last day of March by celebrating Women's Month to show its gratefulness to the contribution of women in the society. Governor Bambi Emano mandated to make March 31, 2021 a non-working day for all female employees of the provincial capital. Despite his desire to treat female employees to an all-expense-paid field trip just like the previous years, the ongoing pandemic stopped the governor from doing so. Notwithstanding, Governor Bambi Emano still found ways to continue honoring women as he ordered the Provincial Social Welfare and Development Office, or PSWDO, to distribute hygiene kits containing cotton balls, cotton pads, cotton buds, wet wipes, tissues, sanitary napkins, face shield, 1 box of face masks, alcohol, body soap, face towel, and oral care travel kit to all 1,600 female employees of the capital and the provincial hospitals.
Thank you, Go Bambi! Happy Women's Month!
The men still working in the capital on Wednesday did not remain idle, as Provincial Veterinary Head Dr. Benji Rasmus spearheaded a team-building activity named Women's Day. The activity kicked off through fun dancing participated by all male department heads, who brought happiness and entertainment to all the viewers. Men from various departments in the capital also showcased their dancing skills through a TikTok dance contest. Blue group won the 3rd prize and received a 9,000 cash prize, while 2nd place was the purple group and received a 12,000 pesos cash prize. Lastly, the red group was hailed as ultimate winners and received 15,000 pesos cash prize. To complete the team building activity and to the delight of all, the Assistant Provincial Administrator's Office under Ma'am Carol Lim Kaidik distributed packed lunch to all male employees of the provincial capital. For the continuous improvement of the society and the country, Governor Bambi Emano, as the father of the province, knows the huge contribution of women, which he makes sure to continuously recognize not only during the Women's Month celebration, but in every single day of the year. Gio Denke, PIO.
And from March 28 to 31, various reports from different departments shows a unified effort to implement Governor Bambi Emano's support to all Misamisnans. Jebsen Patlunag will give us the details.
Thank you, Go Bambi! Happy Women's Month! On Wednesday, March 31, 2021, the provincial capital spent the last day of March by celebrating Women's Month to show its gratefulness to the contribution of women in the society. Governor Bambi Emano mandated to make March 31, 2021 a non-working day for all female employees of the provincial capital and Misamis Oriental. Despite his desire to treat female employees to an all-expense-paid field trip just like the previous years, the ongoing pandemic stopped the governor from doing so. Notwithstanding, Governor Bambi Emano still found ways to continue honoring women as he ordered the Provincial Social Welfare and Development Office, or PSWDO,
On Monday, March 29, 2021, two brand new units of Bambi Cab were turned over by the provincial government. In the morning, representing Governor Bambi Emano, Attorney Nadia Emano Elipe, Board Member Dexter Yasay, Board Member Syra May Emano, PDRRMO Head Fernando Vincent D, Taguluan Vice Mayor Robinson Sabio, and Taguluan Sangguniang Bayan members Armando Pomar, Attorney Odi Paduganan, Hani Emanu Donya, Boyet Casinio, and Felipe Valduesa led the turnover of a new Bambi Cab to Barangay Gracia, Taguluan. Gracia, Barangay Captain Maribel Casinio and her council received the new Bambi Cab from Governor Bambi Emano alongside her message of gratitude to the provincial government. While on the afternoon at the provincial capitol grounds, Board Member Dexter Yasay, Board Member Syra May Emano, Board Member Gerardo Sabol III, Board Member Michelian Ayron, and PDRRMO Head Fernando Vincent D led the turnover of a new Bambi Cab to Barangay Bulahan, Claveria. Bulahan Barangay Captain Tomas Macas and his council received the new Bambi Cab from Governor Bambi Emano. Barangay Captain Tomas Macas of Bulahan and Barangay Captain Maribel Casinio of Gracia expressed their gratitude to Governor Bambi Emano for immediately providing new multi-purpose vehicles that will greatly aid the delivery of services for their respective barangays, especially in times of emergencies and disaster response. And from March 29 to 30, 2021, the Human Resources Management Office under Ms. Jessica Galindo successfully executed their two-day orientation for newly hired employees via Google Meet, which catered permanent and casual employees on March 29 and job order employees on March 30. The orientation for newly hired employees allows new employees to adjust to their new workplace while at the same time offering tentative information about their duties and responsibilities. The orientation provides employees with knowledge on the organization's structure and how they can utilize different available resources in enhancing their performance. In gaining this knowledge, employees are able to develop reasonable expectations on their new roles. Jobson Patlunag, PIO.
The 4 days of rest brought to us by the Holy Week have given us an opportunity to reflect upon our Savior's sacrifice on the cross and recharge our faith. May we emerge from the Holy Week with fervent spirits and emboldened with a burning desire to serve the people of Misamis Oriental. Jinky Receipt, PIO.